Hey there, today I'm going to teach you how to pack an underseat luggage that is considered carry-on for most airlines. I am thinking of the business traveler. I would also pack in this kind of suitcase if I was going on a road trip vacation for 1 or maybe 2 nights. This underseat bag is the Travelpro Rolling Maxlite 5 underseat carry-on. It's a tongue twister, but it holds a lot of clothes. How I pack in this carry-on is with compression cubes. These are key pieces to your packing routine if you're going to pack an underseat luggage. I have a quick video tutorial of how to use compression cubes that I will link for you in the iCards and in the description box below, but let me show you inside my suitcase. Since this carry-on luggage is compact, it helps me be more organized, and it also helps me pack fewer things, but you've got to be smart about it. You always plan your shoes that you have to have, and you're going to have shoes that you wear on the airplane, perhaps your heaviest shoes, maybe for work. And then my travel tip is to pick tennis shoes that you can exercise in that are still cute. If you want to have some cute running around town kind of shoes that are still comfortable. You can also use the stacking method where you stack your shoes at the bottom and then everything else stacks horizontally above that. For this trip, I'm just lining the boundaries of the suitcase with my shoes. In the outer flap of the suitcase, I would pack my dressier sandals if I'm going to be going to a restaurant. These you can see are totally cute. And there are some that are less heavy that are also by Steve Madden that I'll link below for this year. I have a video about 4 creative ways to pack your shoes that I will also link for you. If these free travel tips help you throughout this video, click the like button and be sure to click the bell beside subscribe so you'll never miss one of my free travel tip videos. I usually produce about 1 a week. I'm a Houston pilot wife and I share tips to help you travel the globe again, finally, without a worry in the world. There are some new TSA rules that came out, so make sure you look in my description box for some updated travel videos. Just this year, I found these travel cases that come in a set of 4 for your masks. So that will be or slide in somewhere in your suitcase, either in the beginning or throughout your packing process. In this compression packing cube, I have my pajamas, a long sleeve shirt just in case it's cold. And then I have 3 shirts that I'm gonna wear for my vacation outfits. This blouse is just if I want to go to a nice restaurant. And let me tell you a travel tip for picking vacation travel outfits. And that is to find shells. I love these from Loft. They've been making them like this for years. They do not wrinkle. Even if they have a little ruffle on the sleeve, they're not going to get wrinkled. And then this shirt is going to go with white shorts or a pair of jeans that I'm also packing. This shirt can be for hanging out and it goes with white shorts as well and jeans. And then I have just a t-shirt if you need one for hanging out or I don't know, just an extra t-shirt. I'm going to pack my compression cubes standing up vertically, and then there's also about 3 inches of space on top of that I could even pack 1 more compression cube, or I can put them both beside each other. My compression cubes come in a set of 6, but if you do not like that, you can buy a single one that comes with like a smaller compression cube with it that I don't really use. Some other clothes that are fitting in this suitcase are going to be white shorts and my exercise capris and a black t-shirt for exercising. My travel tip that I learned this past winter in January when I went to Miami, pack an exercise shirt. This is the Zella brand. I'll link it below. It's not see-through. You can wear it out to a restaurant with jeans or the white shorts and some nice shoes and still look nice. And then later in your vacation, you can use it as the exercise shirt. And then just in case you need it, I have a pair of jeans. And all these are also going to fit in a compression cube, or I can just lay them on top and stuff them on top because I don't care about them getting maybe wrinkled. I also have my underwear, and you can put technology gear in this kind of a skinny packing cube. But see, there's space right there that you could fit a pouch in. And I do have pouches in this bag. I would have my just little travel-on pouch and then my eyeshadow brush if I needed to take it, and sits up flat on your countertop without getting any of the makeup brushes dirty. Something like this can slide in between items because it can smush and squish a little bit, but you can also use like a baggie or something like that. For this teaching process, I'm just going to have that stand vertically right now. And then my pouch is going to go somewhere in there in those empty pockets of space. Now in your personal item bag or your crossbody bag, you're going to have like maybe another pouch for the airplane to touch up some makeup and your liquids bag. But if not, you can also or always fit them in this outer pocket. This outer pocket is mainly for a laptop, but you don't have to travel with a laptop. Let's say you're on the airplane and you need to open your bag to get to something. They have this feature where the bag or the flap only opens this far because there is very durable Velcro and a strong snap right there on either side. And that's another reason to only pack with pouches and compression cubes, because if something does spill out, it's easily retrievable. You really need to make sure you have checked your airline's luggage requirements for carry-on suitcases and underseat baggage. I'm from Georgia and I have to fly on the 70-seater planes or 50-seater airplanes to get to Atlanta. And so my regular carry-on will not fit in the overhead bins, and that's when this type of Travelpro rolling underseat luggage would come in handy for me. It does not fit in those size airplanes underseat area, but it does fit in the overhead bins of those smaller airlines. So check American Eagle, Delta Connection, United Express, and make sure you know what their underseat luggage requirements are. That's why it's up to you to check those limits. If you need a bag that will fit under the Spirit Airlines plane underseat luggage area, I will link that suitcase from an avid Spirit Airlines lady. I'm trying to get her to make a YouTube channel all about Spirit Airlines stuff. As an airline crew family, we have been using the Travelpro suitcases for years. A lot of airline crews do use those. They are great for durability and for their strength. And then I have a whole video as well about choosing the right luggage. Travelpro wheels are embedded into the suitcase. The wheels don't pop off easily if you do have to check that bag last minute. This Travelpro underseat bag is 16.5 inches by 16 by 6 inches. I bought this off of Amazon over a year and a half ago, and I do have that link for it still, but they also, on the Travelpro website, they sell another one that is longer. You might need that extra inch of the suitcase. It's like 17.5 inches long. So I will also link that for you. Just know it's very expensive, but they are very high quality. Another travel tip is to remember that you can always call your airline. If it is that important to you to know whether or not you are going to have to pay a baggage fee, spend the time waiting 15 minutes on hold with your airline. There is a list of packing mistakes I do not want you to make now that we are in 2021 with all the new TSA rules and travel restrictions. Be sure to check out that video in the description box or in the iCard up there. You can click on it at any time. If you do need to know links or things that I talk about, you can click show more if you're watching me on your phone or laptop, and then on the phone or laptop, it's an upside down triangle, and that will give you the description box. I'll also link some other travel tip videos as well. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. I know you have options, and I hope you have so much fun packing in whatever suitcase you have. Thanks again.